This video is going to help take you through how to migrate your quizzes into the new quizzes. You must do this before July or you will lose the quizzes that you've created already. So in your course, you're going to go to quizzes. Next to your quiz, each of your quizzes, you're going to see this little icon. If it's colored in, like this one above, then it's a new quiz. If it's kind of a sketched out one, then it's not. So we're going to click these three dots over here. You're going to select migrate, and it will migrate that quiz. And once it's finished migrating into the new quiz format, then it will be colored in. So you'll see now that we have a new personal project quiz that is migrated. You're going to choose to publish this, and then you can unpublish the previous version.